Okay. All those signature. Next class. All done? Yes, thanks. Stand. Your thumb and homework. Your complete standards. Come out. Your place is here now. Come. Take the book. Bring the book. Only with them. Want to use that pen? Not your pen.
No.
Only with them.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
What about you? Well, all done? Huh? That one is not good. Your signature? No signature.
Sir,
Why is voting mistaken kept to
I'm having mine. It's my second.
Yes, done. Yours.
Just the third question I had it out. You have to multiply your numbers.
Homework, signature. No signature. Yours, I've seen your signature. I've seen yours. All
sir,
done.
my father was not at home and my mother was also not at home.
Oh, where? How many days?
Today.
Yesterday.
I didn't read.
So you should do now.
I
One day
forgot
before.
to because I was doing my school work.
School
I
work.
was completing my.
So do one thing, today you will take signature, no? Then father will
Yes,
come
sir.
now. Brother is there.
No, sir, he went to place.
Oh. Lastly was not come. What happened? What is your problem? It should not happen. Answer. How do I? Your mom will not call now. I'll send messages. Okay, the next class we bring this one. Okay. Yeah. Sit down. Sit down.
Sir, but it asking what is that?
Now, listen. What was your doubt?
Sir, second question.
What is your doubt?
So in third question, you have to multiply the whole number. If you multiply the
What is your third? Read the third question.
5y the whole square.
5y square.
Then it's 6y.
Others be quiet. 5y square.
Then 8y. Minus 165.
Minus 165. So you have to factorize this one. Last class you are not ready.
Yes, sir.
Take the attention time. You can sit in the third page.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Yeah. Listen, splitting middle term. What you have to do? Product should be. This is of which form? A x square plus b x plus c, or a y square plus by plus c. Product is what? AC. AC means 5 into minus 165. Always that one. Quite a lot of places you will see this as 1. That is why I forgot. Okay. So product is equal to 5 into minus 165. What are the factors you got? 33 and 28. 5 plus 33y. No, minus 28. Minus 160. 25. All of you got it now, this one. Is there anyone having the doubt? If you followed, how did you get? This one now you can take y as common. 5y plus 33. Minus again 5 is taken common. Minus 5 is taken, therefore 5y plus 33. So it will come 5y plus 33 times y minus 5. Okay. Who else having the doubt? What is your doubt?
Second question.
Read the second question.
X square minus 12x plus
X square minus 12x
plus 35. तो गलत हो गया मेरा सही किया तो गलत है स्क्वायर प्लस 12x माइनस प्लस 12x
Oh, question copied also not
यस सर
proper.
सर गलती कर दी
What is the question? X square plus 12x plus 35. Even minus 12x plus 35 also.
सर
will-
सही है मेरा
What? Then why did he cut?
तो उधर मेरे को नहीं पता था
That means you are copying.
नहीं
Then
सही था मैंने
it's wrong na.
मेरे को नहीं आ रहा
Tell me okay how factorize tell me. Product.
का 7 plus 7 x plus 5x
So then so it is coming as x square plus 7x plus 5x plus 30. So x is common, x plus 7 times plus 5 into x plus 7. Naman, you got these all? Remember to put equal to symbol and all. Quite a lot of people does not put the equal to symbol. Yours.
yes sir I will do
Okay. Now. Any other problem? Any other factorization problem? No. Okay. Yeah. Identities all of you learn now? Yes. Number standard. Huh? One the standard learn. I will ask other one. Okay. A cube minus B cube.
minus a minus b the whole plus 3ab into a minus
Correct.
and
One.
the other one is a minus b into b square plus ab cheat plus
First piece. Sit down. What happened by your leg?
sir
Where do you stay? Nobody is common time. Okay. Homework done. Okay. Yeah. Next term. Whereas learn. Yes. A minus B all cube.
Minus B cube, A cube minus B cube minus 2AB, A minus
Or another form.
A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus 2.
Sit down. A cube. A cube plus B cube.
a cube plus b cube a plus b square a plus b
A plus B square, A plus B. Very nice. Not learn. Yeah. Yeah. You learn now?
sir
Yes. A plus B all cube. Over. Start. Wrong. You also not learn. Now. Wait. Sit for a stand properly. Sit for a stand now. A plus B plus C whole square.
A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2 is equal to A.
What is A minus B whole cube?
A cube minus B, A cube minus B cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A plus
No.
A plus
A plus. It's wrong. If you get question, you're not listening now. 3AB to A minus B now. I asked you what A minus B whole cube now. So then 3AB to A plus B is whole. So we say you learn now 1 minute is over. Okay, what is A cube plus B cube? No. Okay. You what is A cube minus B cube?
a plus b a minus a plus a plus
Learn. You learn A cube plus B cube.
a plus b bracket a square minus
There is second form. There are two forms are there, na? Learn that also. Okay, now Whereas that did I asked you know. You learned all or yes. All you learned. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AB.
A plus B plus C, 2A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC plus C. What is the difference?
You learned everything? What is AQ plus? There is an identity for AQ plus BQ plus CQ.
A2 plus B2 plus C2 minus A. So it is equal to A plus B plus C.
I said, what is the identity for AQ plus BQ plus CQ? It's a conditional law. Only AQ plus BQ plus CQ. I don't say we don't. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. Sit down. Who is that term? We don't know. We don't. Okay. What is A plus B plus C? Sorry. What is A plus B whole cube?
Plus B2. AQ plus BQ plus BAB into 3 plus
So,
AQ plus 3A square B plus BAB square plus
sit down. You, what is AQ plus BQ?
AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus C.
Another one.
A plus B into A square minus AB plus
Sit down. Plus minus, don't make mistake. These people I have to ask you again. Okay. Next, one more chance next class. If mistake, next I will give question. Okay. Understood? Okay, so study. I remember who all are. Naman, you have not learned anything. Others are some partly knows. Okay, we are not able to. In between again, I'll ask you. Yeah. Sit down, all of you. Okay. Here. What is the linear polynomial?
a linear polynomial which has a variable radius for
Degree is equal to 1. What is its general form?
ax plus
Ax plus b where a is not equal to 0. Graphically, what is it represent? It represents a straight line. Remember, it represents a straight line. How many zeros are there for a linear polynomial? Only 1 0. Only 1 0. Okay. What is a quadratic polynomial? Degree of 2.
And can be expressed in the form of x square plus b plus
Ax square plus bx plus c where a is now always here to tell because look here, that is always remember if you write ax square plus bx plus c, it's not enough. You have to write a should not be 0 because other can be 0. What happened? What is the problem, Bharat? Why discussion is going on? So where a always remember you should tell a is not equal to 0. Okay, other than b can be 0, c can be 0. Okay, this is the quadratic polynomial. How many zeros are there for a quadratic? I will ask. Okay, at the most 2 zeros. Okay, so here, okay, you wanted to tell now. Without looking the book, you will tell the answer. Okay, stand up. Okay, so quadratic polynomial, how many zeros?
Sir,
At most 2 zeros. What is the graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial?
X.
There is a so that means you are reading from the book.
Yes.
What is what is the graphical representation of the parabola? Parabola it is there. Okay. Now next what is the meaning of 0 of the polynomial p of x? Graphical, there is a geometrical meaning of the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Geometrical meaning of the 0 of the polynomial p of x. You.
0 of the polynomial is the value which makes the polynomial 0.
That is a value, but what is geometrical meaning? When you draw,
Then the line touches the
not line the curve. So where the curve was, line, not curve, okay. The zero of the polynomial means the point where the curve touches the x-axis. If the polynomial is p of x. If polynomial is p of y means y-axis only. Okay, if the curve is touching the x-axis at 3 points, then how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 2 points. 2. If it doesn't touch the x-axis, there is no zero. Okay. Yes, sit down. Ammaya, can you
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am. Yes, sir.
You were there last class in Nerul. Yesterday you were in Nerul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we are. This one
Polynomials.
we are doing the polynomial. Okay, let's do it. Can you see the screen? Can you see?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Sit down, all of you. This one, okay. So this is the one we have done. This much we have done in the last class. So the polynomials, mainly factorization, and all we are going to do. Now, look here. Today we are going to study about what are the how to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and relation. That is, even this year also there was a question was there in the examination. Find the quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the polynomials. Now, look here. So we did lot of factorization. 3x. This one yesterday we have done no factorization. Yes or no? You think which time we have done the last class? Remember or not? Yes or no? Okay. So 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Factorization you have done now. How to split the middle term over here? Product is equal to 6 and the sum is equal to minus 5. So what did we get over here? 6x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 1. Okay, one of you continue. Yes, you continue.
3x.
3x is taken common. What is left out?
2x minus
1. And from here,
minus
minus 1 is taken. So 2x minus 1. Okay, therefore these 2x minus 1 is taken and left out is 3x minus 1. Okay, so this is the factorization. So whenever a quadratic polynomial, if it is given to obtain the zeros, first you will factorize. Okay, the factorization is done. After that, what is the next step means? We will write the zeros of the polynomial is obtained by taking both of them equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Both of them equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means you have to find the value of x. How will you get the value of x? What is the rule of that one? When negative will go to the other side, positive. Multiplication changes to division. Directly, if you want to write directly, you can write. Don't make mistake. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon. If you want 2 steps, you write 2 steps. So 1 step directly write. And what is the second one you get? 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to x. These are the two zeros of the polynomial. Are you followed? So to find the zeros, what do you do? Factorize. After factorizing, both the factors equate to 0. You will get the value of x. That means this much was done in 9 standard. So what is the additional thing? To obtain the 0, we equated to 0. That's all we have done. This much all of you followed.
Yes.
Any question is coming. This is the question come for 3 marks. After finding this one and obtaining the relationship. Okay. So next, so there are 2 zeros you got. Which are the 2 zeros you got? X equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1 by 2. Now, this is a polynomial. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. What is a here? 6. What is the value of b? Minus 5. What is the value of c? Okay, this much okay. Now, we have to verify the relationship between the coefficient and zeros. First, I will directly in words I write. After that, we will tell in terms of alpha and beta. Those are done. I will explain that. Okay, so these are the two values. So we will find out what is the sum of the zeros. Sum is equal to, we will add both of them. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 23, add both of them. 3 upon 2. How did you get 3 upon 2? LCM to be taken. So what is LCM of 2 and 3? 6. 6. So make it as 6. Those are two ways I will show. One method is directly 6 is taken. So what is missing? 2 only there. What is this one is coming as 6. So what is to be multiplied? 3. 1 into 3 is 3 plus this is what? 3 into how much? 2. That is equal to 2. That is equal to 5 by 6. Those who are one method is this way. Difference is here. So this is the one. Now, one of them it is this way. Another way it is coming as you can make this another way. Make both of them denominator. Whichever convenient you do it. Okay. It's a this the into 3 into 2 into 2. Same thing only process is same, which is convenient. Some of you must have done this way. Some of you done directly. So it is 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, 5 by 6. What is easier way? Always do it. Okay, don't make mistakes. So you got which is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Now, which is equal to 5 by 6. Now, product is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3. How do you multiply this one? Numerator will multiply, denominator will multiply. So it is 1 into 1, 1 upon 6. Okay, sum is equal to what did you get over here? 5 by 6, and this is the relation is this is the rule is sum of the 0 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x. Yeah. You can see what is the coefficient of x here? What is the coefficient of x square here? What is the coefficient of x square? 6. Coefficient of x minus 1. Constant 1. Minus coefficient of x means minus or minus 5. 5 upon 6. This is the first relation yesterday. Sum of the zeros is, I will make you to write, no need to write, I will make you. Sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. When I write on the board itself, you repeat yourself 2-3 times, it will go in your brain. Next, product of the zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now check what is constant term 1 and coefficient of x square 6, 1 by 6. This is the rule. Okay, this is a rule between for a quadratic polynomial. This is the relationship between 0 and the coefficient. Okay, now you will study this in terms of alpha and beta. That those who studied polynomial don't know what is alpha and beta. That I will tell. Those who don't know, I will tell you. So this has to be learned. This statement for a quadratic polynomial, sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x. Product of the zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Are you followed? So the question will be coming at this way. Obtain the zeros and verify the relations. So first step is this: obtain the zero. Factorization of this. Verify the relation means this is the way it's sum and product. Hope you got it. What is he writing on? You're writing everything. I will tell you not to write, don't need to write, just listen. Okay, now this is followed all of you. Every question will be the same thing. Almost every question the same way. This is the basic first part of the part. Okay, so right, heading right. Relationship between zeros. Relationship between zeros and coefficients relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Then below right, consider the quadratic polynomial. Consider the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, comma a not equal to 0. Below, first rule. Sum, consider the quadratic polynomial, this one, ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. First, sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Written below. Product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Written, learned, learned. This you have to by heart it. It's compulsory. You have to remember. Okay. So constant term divided by. After that, you will study alpha, beta, alpha plus beta. You must have school till done alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Verify the relation with you have to write this in words. Okay, so that is why you have to remember. After that, I will make you write alpha beta also. So okay. So for some time with this one application, you have studied the identities also. Somewhere we will apply the identities. Whatever we discussed in these 2 days, any problem? No clarification required? No. Not that too complicated things we did. Okay, we have to practice. So verify. So write the one question. Obtain the zeros and verify the relationship. The right question. 8x square minus 2x minus 3. Right below solution, factorize. Without looking to your friend's book, do it. Always remember you will do it yourself. Mistakes, no problem, but do it. Splitting middle term. Amaya got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Got it. Yeah. Okay, stop. Factorization done. Now, only factorization, remaining I'll tell you. Why this mistake taking? Look here, all of you. There are some 3-4 is struggling. First is, your product is, you have to find out two numbers whose product is AC. AC means how much? 8 into minus 3, minus 24. Sum is equal to minus 2. That which you have followed, 8 into minus 3. Small numbers, very easily you can get it. See, minus 24. So product is minus means you take the factors of 24 and subtract. 24 into 1, but 24 minus 1, no. 12 to all of them got 12 and 2. 12 minus 2, 10. No. 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 minus 3. No. Then 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4. So you got 6 minus 4 is plus 2. So minus 6 and plus 4. So you can write minus 6 and plus. That way you think and do it. Understood or not? So product is, be careful. Product is minus 24 and sum is equal. Okay. So this is only the one. You those who wrote 4 and minus 6 also correct. Minus 6 and 4 also is correct. So this is factorized. Therefore 8x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 3. Take common from here. What is taken common? 2x. So what did you get? 4x minus 3. Here nothing is common, so plus 1. 4x minus 3. So it is coming as 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. Any order you can write. First 2x plus 1 you wrote, then 4x minus 3 is good. All of you got it? Is there anyone got some other factor? If you got some other factor, tell me. And you have a doubt, you have confusion. No problem, no? No. Below you write. This much all of you get. Next step you write. Zeros are obtained by taking 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, comma 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to first value. First 0 is what? 3 upon 4. And second one, x equal to minus 1 by 2. All of you got, these are the first part, 2 0 0. X is equal to 4, 3 by 4, and x is equal to, okay, 3 by 4. Now below right, verification. Sum of zeros. Are 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 means 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, LCM. What is LCM? 2 and 4. 4 now. Therefore, it is 4 and what laid here? 3 minus 2. That is equal to how much? 1 upon 4. This much all of you got. Now, what is your formula? If sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x. Look over there. What is coefficient of x? Minus 2. Minus 2 upon 8, it is there only. So you write this one directly right away. Minus 2 upon 8. It's the same thing only, no? Which is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared. Okay, see, same thing. Minus is plus. We have to write it adjusted at the 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. Okay, doubt. Then next, product of zeros. Is equal. Multiply which are the 3 by 4 times minus 1 by 2, which is equal to how much? Minus 3 by 8. You can check directly, it is constant. By coefficient. The sum of zeros formula I got product of zeros. It's a verification. No, okay, minus 3. Minus 3 is a constant term divided by coefficient of x squared. Followed all of you? Everyone? Any problem? Okay, sure. With this one, first part we do, then we will take what is the ABC, what is alpha plus beta. First part we will do this one. Then after that we will come to the next. Okay. So come to the exercise 2.2. Page number. Number two, mobile switch off. Okay. Done. When you get inside itself, put the phone in silent mode. Yeah. Exercise 2.2. Last one. Okay, question number 1. Read, Kathy, read.
Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients.
Coefficient. Same way. So first one is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Factorize 4s square minus 4s plus 1. With the middle term. Try to learn. These are simple factorization. Big numbers also comes. Product is how much? 4. Sum is how much? Minus 4. Check, very simple. Got it? 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. What minus now? So it will come as, what did we get over here? Is equal to 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Not x, it is plus 4. This is the first step. You're struggling to factorize. Write properly and neatly. Okay. Which is equal to, what is common from here? From first to 2s is taken common. 2s minus 1. Second one, minus 1 is taken. 2s minus 1. That is equal to 2s minus 1 times 2s minus 1. Repeated one it is coming. Same thing it is coming now. Okay. Then next is, after that you will write zeros are obtained by taking 2s minus 1 equal to 0 and second one 2s minus 1 equal to 0. So, Aliabes, you got it?
Yes, sir.
S first one is S is equal to 1 by 2 and S is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, zeros are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is the first part. Hope all of you got this much?
Yes, sir.
Now, next is coming verification. So, right, verification. Sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and my minus is coming plus now, both addition now. There is previous one, there was a minus was there here, so that's why minus came. One now, getting the question more properly adjusted here. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, all of you must have wrote 2 by 2 or 1, isn't it? Now, look here, we need minus coefficient. Minus is coming as how much? This is minus 4. So directly write this is equal to minus 4 divided by 4. Yes or no? You can check. Then you write minus coefficient of S upon coefficient of S square. Here it is. 1 is coming as 4 by 4, isn't it? We need, look at the question and just adjust like a body. Okay, question is here. Minus coefficient. So minus 4 upon 4. So you got this equal to 1 till you got it now. What we need to write? It is equal to minus coefficient of S upon coefficient of S square. What is coefficient of S? -4. So -4 divided by 4. That is same as 1 only, no? So I wrote that one. Answer we need to write. The formula you have to keep in mind, that's all, nothing else. That accordingly write. Automatically the answer will be there. Okay? Product, the second one. Product of zeros. Multiply. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 4. That is same as constant. Nothing to adjust over here. Constant. Divided by coefficient of S square. Here variable is S square. Okay. Done. Completed. No problem. That is clear. So 2 questions are done. Same way you are going to do the other one. Second part. 3x square minus 4x minus 4. All of you do it. Don't look at it others. Do it yourself. 3x square. Try to factorize yourself. Factorization is important. Not only this, other chapter quadratic equation comes same factorization. If you learn the factorization, the basic factorization problem, then find out what is product. Product, product, product is on. Get a factorized become written now. What is the product? Product means AC. What is A here? This tell what is it? 3x right? 3x by 3. What is B here? B is -1. C is -4. So AC means 3 into -4. You know what is 3 into -4? What is 3 multiplied by -4? -12. So 3 and -4. Don't get that no. So they can do it. Ask your doubt. If you have a problem, tell that. So yours also struggling. Now yours also factorization mistake. Now man, you also have to come outside and see. I need to see your steps. This is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. This is the way to get it. Product is -12. You can see these two. Product is negative means same 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So got it now? So this is equal to. Therefore, this is equal to. From here, what you can take common? X, 3x minus 4. From here, plus 1 times 3x minus 4. That is 3x minus 4 times x plus 1. Okay? Now, next is we have to find out the zeros. So zeros are obtained by zeros are obtained by taking 3x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3 by 4 and x is equal to minus 1. All of you got this one?
Sir, 4 by 3.
It is 3 by 4 or 4 by 3?
4 by
4 by 3. or zeros are 4 by 3 comma minus 1. These are the two zeros. All of you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now verification, sum of the zeros. So we will add 4 by 3 plus minus 1 means minus 1.
1.
LCM we can take as 4 minus 3 upon 3. That is 1 upon 3. That is same as minus 1, which is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Check. Coefficient of x is minus 1, minus of minus 1 by 3. Direct. And product 4 by 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 4 upon 3. Same point. You can check. You came late. No, I did not ask identities to you, know. I did ask you. Check. All of you got an answer? Steps written. Okay now. Factorization, there are people are struggling. Some of you are finding LCM problem. Some of you are finding the problem is adjusting. See the difficulty and accordingly do it. Okay, what is your problem? Try to locate and identify. Some of you are facing this step. After that, everything is easy. Some of you are facing this one after addition and equating. What is your problem? Tell. Okay. So here two things you have to remember. One is factorization. Second one is a relation. What is the relation? Sum of the zeros equal to sum of the zeros minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Product of zeros. Constant term of coefficient. That would be able to remember. That's why in maths it is there. You don't have much to study. Practice only. Okay. Now those who are struggling here, those who are struggling, you have to redo this question at form. Okay. Then only these are all NCERT questions. Based on the questions will come. You have to redo this question. Those who are able to do that is not much, but those who are struggling over here, I see I'm facing a difficulty in practice because these are the time you have time is there, lot of time. Later you see when the chapters comes, in the school also there's a lot of work is there, here also a lot of work, you may not get time. So that is why once practice means that little fear from your mind goes, then it will be easy. And these all things are coming, same thing is coming in another chapter, quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation, same thing only, little additional parts are coming. So that's why these all it's required. So please do. Let's come to the third question. What is the third question? 7z square minus 343. Same thing. Seven z square minus 343. So here the splitting middle term part it is not there, but you can take common from here. What is common here?
7.
What is common? 7 is common now. So remove that 7. So 7 is removed, so it will come as what will you get? 7 times z square minus 49. Okay? Now, this one, factorization you have to do it. This is of the form. A square minus b square. So write in the form 7 times z square minus 7 square. A square minus 7 times z minus 7 into z plus 7. Basically, there are three factors you are getting. Which are three factors you got? 7, z minus 7, z plus 7. So how do you get zeros obtained by? Should we take 7 equal to 0? No, 7 is not 0, no? Then what is it? Z minus by taking z minus 7 equal to 0 and z plus 7 is equal. Therefore, z is equal to 7 and z is equal to minus 7. Your work is done. Therefore, zeros are 7 and minus 7. Doubt is there? Tell me. Here, this boy. Second line. Here, this one. Doubt is there. Then and now sum of the zeros and product. So sum of the zeros are 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? 0. 0 can be written as what? Minus 0 upon 7. Yes or no? Because 0, so because we need, there is no extra z term means 0, minus 0. So you can write which is equal to minus 0 upon 7, which is same as minus coefficient of z or coefficient of z square. And product of the zeros, 7 into minus 7, which is equal to minus 49, which can be what we need, minus 343 divided by 7. Same thing. And check. It's all just an adjustment and multiplication, make it bigger, smaller, that's all. Product is minus 49 now. This one you followed. Sum means 7 minus 7, 0. What was the coefficient of z? There is no z, no, 0. 0 upon coefficient of z square, 7. 0 can be done 0 by 7 now. No? Okay. And this one, product 7 into minus 7, minus 49. We need minus coefficient, constant, minus 3, sorry, only not minus constant, constant term, minus 343 upon 7. That's it. Check. Steps are not followed, tell me, I'll explain again.
Can you tell the last step again?
Which step?
From product.
Product, you take the product 7 into minus 7. How much? Minus 49. What is your answer? We needed constant term divided by coefficient of z square. What is the constant term here? What is the constant term?
7.
Huh? Constant term.
Z.
Huh? Z. This is a problem. Well, polynomial is this one. 7 z square minus 343. What is A? What? Huh?
7 is it?
A is what is B?
Minus 340.
Wrong. B is what? 0. B means what? Coefficient of z. There is no z now. So B is equal to 0. C minus 343 means coefficient of z square 7. Coefficient of z 0. Constant term minus 343. So then we need constant term minus 343 upon coefficient of z square 7. That is same as what is one. When you take in common now, same thing came now. That is it. It's all just little adjustment you have to make. Now, when you listen here, he's looking down and sitting, he's become expert. I'll ask you to do some on the board, okay? Okay, listen. When others ask, you should also listen. Maybe something is good in the brain now. Tired out. Today no school was there, no? Huh? Okay, what was in the school? Time pass. क्या पढ़ाई की? English is history. Maths also okay. Okay, what chapter done? Polynomial is going on. So see, he is telling the different class.
Yes.
Okay, so done. So this is done. This question, same question must have done in the class also, no? It isn't. Chalo, okay. Fourth one. This is there in the NCERT. The question in the NCERT question. Fourth one. 5p square plus 20p. Factorize. 5p square plus 20p. There is no identity now. And I square is how much? Upon why minus is now wrong now? Check what is common from there. What is common between these two, 5p and 20p? 5 only or 5p? 5p removed. What is left out? P plus 4. Your work is over, nothing else to do. Okay, it is p plus 4. Understood or not? Now, next is zeros are obtained by taking 5p is equal to 0 and p plus 4 equal to 0. 5p is equal to 0 means p is equal to how much? 0 upon 5, 0. And p is equal to how much? Minus 4. You're done. Simple now. Okay, sure. So, therefore, zeros are 0, comma, minus 4. Good. Okay, na? Difficulty, tell me. You not follow, tell, sir, I am not followed. I'll explain again. No, verification. Sum of the zeros is equal to 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is how much? Minus 4. We need the coefficient, so how will you write? Minus 20 upon 5. So you write minus 20 upon 5 and check. Is it minus 20 upon 5? Is this one same thing only? Yes or no? So minus coefficient of p. We got 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 is same as we need minus coefficient of p upon coefficient of p square. That is minus 20 upon 5.
You can take the 5 over there.
5 over there, take na? Acha, you did not. 0 upon 5 na?
Oh, okay.
Multiplication changes to what? Division na? So, huh? How 1 upon 5? This is 0 na? 0 upon 5. Therefore, 5p is equal to 0. P equal to minus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Done na? Answer doubt, no problem. If not followed, immediately ask. Okay? So, that is the condition. So, next is product. After that, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is how much? 0 times minus 4. 0 into minus 4 is how much? 0. 0 can be written as 0 upon 5. That only you need to find it. Constant term, there is no constant 0. You are by 5. Done. Okay. What else? All okay now? Easy? No, difficult. Everything is very the factorization. So one formula we have done. What is the formula we have done? Sum of the zeros equal to coefficient of x upon 5 of x. Product of the zeros equal to constant of 1. Today you must have already repeated 10 times. So you will remember all this. Okay, instead of x, if it is p means p and p square. Okay, instead of s means s and x square. Okay, y means y and y square. Okay, now, no problem. I'll erase this one. Next, break is there. Break required.
Yes.
One thing I'll be discuss and after that. Okay, look here. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is what polynomial? Quadratic. Okay, quadratic polynomial. How many zeros are there?
Sir,
At the most 2 zeros. At the what is the meaning of at the most 2 zeros? Maximum 2 zeros. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial are denoted by. Do you know what is this letter? Alpha. This is called beta. Just 2 names. That's all. There is nothing. Okay, zeros are denoted alpha. Now the relation is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros minus coefficient of x minus b upon a. Same thing. alpha beta product is equal to constant of C upon A. This is the formula. Sum of the zeros minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta is minus B by A. Alpha beta is equal to C by A. This is the formula you are going to learn it. Okay. This with the help of this one, you if you want to write that also and then write. Then also, but you have to remember this formula. Then minus coefficient of x upon coefficient.
So, but this and this are same.
Same only, but now we are going to apply this one in the different questions. Okay, this is we are going to apply in the different questions. So after 5 minutes break is there, after break.
So alpha means the A.
No, alpha and beta, like here, this is alpha and this is beta. In the first question, what was the 1 zeros you got? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. No, value of alpha is 1 by 2, beta also 1 by 2. Second question, what was the value of x and y? 2 zeros you got? Four by 3 and minus 1. Alpha is 4 by 3 and beta is minus 1. Any one of that, they are called the zeros. Here the other one, these A, B, C are coefficients. Understood or not? After you learn this one. After that, I will explain.
It's my birth. If I just भाई अभी 1 मिनट है तो 550 है 2.3 लाख से क्या 2.3 लाख से इसमें एक्सक्यूटिव रिलैक्सेशन हो गया है इतना ही है आप इतना पहुंच गया इसका इसमें एक्सेप्ट हां नो किया ये बात है हमें रोज को सर्च कर ये बाकी का और ये बात कर ये बाकी का बात करोगे क्या बनता है बाकी का बात
हाँ स्वरत का इसलिए बड़ा तरफ है आप क्या है तो पूरा चल आइए
अरे वॉशरूम के अंदर धकेल के आ गए
अरे बड़ी फास्ट सच में
और मजा है क्या स्टोरी पूरी कर अभी
दे दे Sir, substitute
Okay, understood, sir. By no
Hey.
tell me one by X.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
One standard now so that you will also find a. Until they were done. That is the result. I don't know, you all know it. And it's a result. He doesn't know, you have one value, you know,
Yes.
you change the school. Okay, so. Learn this formula,
Yes, sir.
all of you,
Yes, sir.
who did this one, we did,
Both.
I'll say, okay. So learn now, and the formula, okay, I will, whatever learned, I'll ask some of you to do. Okay. Yes, what is the name? Huh?
Myra.
Myra, okay, so Myra, so what is the quadratic polynomial?
Polynomial which
Just form it,
so
what is the form, general form?
ax square plus bx.
Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Zeros are denoted by? Zeros are denoted by? Alpha, tell alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta minus b upon a. Alpha beta is equal to c upon. Okay, you. What are the zero relationship between zeros and the coefficients?
For sum of the zeros, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. For product of zeros, the resolution is constant term upon coefficient of x.
Coefficient of x square. Okay, are you following? So we have studied two things. We have studied quadratic polynomial. Okay, degree 2. So first one is relationship between zeros. We studied sum of the zeros is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of the x square. Product of the zeros equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Zeros are denoted by alpha and beta. So alpha and beta, the relation formula comes as alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by b, and alpha beta is equal to c upon. Okay, now. So we are going to continue. So that much is done. So we will go to the next question. That is in the. Yeah. Question. Read the question. Second question. First you done now. Second question.
Find the quadratic polynomial each of the given number of the sum and product of the zero with respect to.
So this is so first one is you have to find a quadratic polynomial. Previous question was polynomial was given to find the zeros. Opposite it is now here it is given as you need to find out the quadratic polynomial. For that one, each of the given sum and product of the zeros are respectively. What is the first one is root 2 and 1 by 3. What is root 2 here?
Sum of it zero.
Sum of it 0. What is 1 by 3 here? Product of 0. That means value of alpha plus beta is given as how much?
So minus b.
Root 2 na? Yes or no? Okay. So root 2. So sum is equal to root 2. Alright, you can write sum is equal to sum of zeros equal to and product is equal to how much?
One by three.
Not by
Product is equal to 1 upon 3. What is the product quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have sum for what is the formula for sum? Minus b upon a and product what is the formula? C upon a. That means denominator is same. Yes or no? Denominator should be same. Here denominator is not the same. So can you make the denominator same? How do you make? This okay, multiply by 3 now. This can be written as 3 root 2 upon 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is 1 by 3. So therefore, what you write means the after making same, you will write this equal to minus B upon A. This is equal to C upon A. This was root 2. We made same denominator. Now check what is the value of A. A is denominator, no. Therefore, A is equal to 3. What is the value of B? Minus B is equal to 3 root 2. Therefore, B is equal to how much? Minus 3 upon root 2. C is equal to how much? 1. So you got A, you got the value of B, you got the value of C. Therefore, what is the quadratic polynomial? AX square plus BX plus C. A will be replaced as 3x square. Then what is B? Minus plus 3 root 2x plus C. Are you followed? And the quadratic polynomial means 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. Are you followed? So sum is made into minus b by a. Product made into 1 c by a. Now why did you multiply it by 3? Make the denominator same. Okay, this was 3, this was 1, so multiply 3. Hope all of you followed? So right, the steps are this one. Write down. Okay, Mayra followed? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. May I following it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, this is done. Therefore, the polynomial is this one. Completed.
Yes, sir.
After that, I will give another formula also. Sometimes you can write that way also. This is not the only way. There are different ways you can do it. Okay. Now, some of the after writing this one, some of the schools will write. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is any k times 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1, where k is not equal to 0. Means any constant can be multiplied. Okay, with this one anything. Okay, so here, if it, with this one, if you multiply by 2, you multiplied everything multiplied by 2, everything multiplied by 3, same answer. Okay, this is find a the question. Did you read the question? What is the question given the question? Find a quadratic. A quadratic means 1 you find out. This is enough. Find the quadratic. Suppose the question is find the quadratic polynomial means you have to write the k. That is the general form. Okay. So sometimes teacher will write ask you to put multiply by k. No problem. But when if you are multiplying by k, you have to write what? K is not equal to 0. Okay. Find a quadratic polynomial means this is enough. Hope you got it. Okay. Second one. What is your second one?
Minus 1 by 4.
Sum is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 4. And product is how much? 1 by 4. Now, here, both denominators are same now. Therefore, this can be written as what? Minus b by a. This can be written as c by a. Then, therefore, what is the value of a? A is how much?
1.
Okay, A is where? Below now. So 4. Both are same thing now. 4. Minus b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, b is equal to how much? 1. C is equal to how much? 1. Understood?
Yes.
A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1, C is equal to. Therefore, quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. That is A is what 4x squared plus 1x plus 1. 1x means x. 4x squared plus x plus 1. Doubt? Problem is there, tell na. Here sit long time looking. Any doubt is there, tell na. Sir, I am not followed. Tell. Following. Naman, your friend is following. What is your friend's name? Huh? Susmith. Chalo. Okay then. So done. Completed now. So this one good completed. Yeah, this child done now. Next, find the right one question before going to the next question. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4.
The same like.
I have given a question 3 and 2 by 3 and whose zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 3 by. So get the answer. Can you do it? Read the question and think and do it. Now look here. There are some of you making mistakes, some of you are doing correct. In this question, what was 1 by minus 1 by 4? Sum. What is 1 by 4? In this question, what is 2 by 3? Is it sum? That is not sum. These are two zeros. So sum and product is not given. So you have to find out sum and product. So first you will write sum is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4. LCM D. 4 3s are 12. 8 minus 9. Minus 1 by 12. That is the sum. This is equal to minus b by a. Before going, let's come make the point to say. Product is equal to 2 by 3 times minus 3 by 4. Don't cancel, first multiply. That is minus 6 upon 12. Denominator is same, so no need to cancel. So this is equal to minus b by 8 and this is equal to c by 8. I hope all of you followed. So what is the value? Now tell what is the value of A, B, C. A is equal to 12. B
Minus.
minus B minus 1. B equal to 1. C minus. A, B, C equal to. Okay now, therefore the polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. That is 12x square plus x minus 6. So read the question and do it, okay? So you have to identify what is it and what is it. Follow out the difference between the question. Sir Smith, follow no? Rachi,
Sir, गाली दे रहा है.
you are very nice boy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, okay, then done. All of you, we are done. So, one question later. Question number, Bharat, with the third one.
Find the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficients.
So this is the same as the first question, na? Isn't it? First question, so start doing. The only factorization only you have to see. Right? F of x is equal to question, right? And start doing. Question right now. The f of x is 4 root 3 x square minus 5x plus or minus 2 root 3. Split them delta. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. That means you know. Splitting is done. Is done. Check what is the product. Product is how much? 8 only? 9. Minus 24 na? Check na, 4 root 3 and 2 root 3. 4 2s are 8, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So minus 24. And sum is equal to minus 5. Product is minus 24, sum is equal to minus 5. Which are the numbers? I got the numbers, who got it? 8 and
Yes.
which is minus? Minus 8. No, minus 8 into 3, minus 8 plus 3. No, then only minus 5 will come now.
Sir, plus 5. Sorry, sir, plus 5.
Question was, this is plus 5?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then it is opposite. 8 minus 3. 8 multiplied by 5. So 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. So then factorize. Now look, from the first two, what is common? 4x. What is left out? Root 3x plus 2. Now 4x removed now. Then from these two, look here. 3 can be taken as root 3 into root 3. So what is minus root 3 is common. Be careful. Look, root 3 is here, so root 3 can be another root 3. So what is left? Root 3x plus 2. See, minus is removed. So check this step. Be careful.
So what can you?
Look now, 3 can be, see, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Enough?
Yes, sir.
So from there 1 root 3 is removed means root 3 left out. So therefore this is equal to root 3x plus 2 times 4x minus 2.
So now we have to.
Now equate this. Zeros are obtained by taking both of them 0. Root 3x plus 2 equal to 0, comma 4x minus root 3. That is x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3 and x is equal to root 3 upon 4. Therefore, zeros are minus 2 upon root 3.
So then we can say that they are that person is alpha and that one is
Which one?
first one.
No need sum, we are verifying, no, sum and product only have to take, no. Alpha and beta not required. Sum is equal to and product is equal to. If you want to take alpha and beta, you can take one of them alpha, one of beta. So you directly write sum is equal to sum of zeros is equal to minus 2 by root 3 plus root 3 upon 4. LCM take. Verifying the relation you have to do now. So sum and product, like first question. LCM take. What happened there? Sum after getting the zeros, find the sum and product. Got it? What did you get? This into -8, √3 into √3 is
Minus
3.
5.
That is -5 upon 4 √3. Check. Minus coefficient of x upon. Directly you can know minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x squared. Nothing to do, not just mention coefficient of x and coefficient of x. Sum of the zeros. Got it? Then product of this. Problem? The delta, if you're not product, there will be this.
So we can cut √3.
Don't cut. First you check. Maybe if you're cutting again, you have to multiply. What by what you need check. If you want to cut, there is no problem. Product of zeros. Because verification you need now. That is equal to -2 by √3 into √3 by 4. All of you look here. Listen, as Gunpreet said, can you cut √3 and √3? You, why not? Yes, you can cut. Yes, can you cut 2 and 4? Yes, you can cut. But in these cases, so finding the answers, generally simplifying, always that is a way. But here verifying, so don't cut. First you will write -2 √3 divided by 4 √3. Then after that, what is your formula? Constant term upon coefficient. What is the constant term? -2. What is the coefficient of x square? So don't cut it. If you are cutting again, you have to rewrite. So directly write is equal to constant. Okay. Sometimes you have to cancel. Here it is not cancelled because directly you got the answer.
Yes.
If you are cancelling, yes, you can cancel √3 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, -1 by 2 will come, but not required directly. Hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. That was question number which one? 3. Okay. Yeah, read the next question.
Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial fx is equal to abx square plus bracket b square minus ac bracket x minus bc and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficients.
Same thing, no? Similar one, no? So right, step. Factorization only you have to do. ABX square plus B square minus AC times X minus BC. Let me look here.
The next again.
Is it the no?
X.
Look here. How will you read this one? Listen all of you. First, how will you read ABX square plus B square minus AC times X. Okay. Times means multiplied by X. Okay. Minus BC. Are you clear? B square. Now, in these questions, look here. Factorization means when the letters are involved, generally it is very easy. Just open, remove that bracket. Then automatically it can be regrouped. If you are removing the bracket, Rajdeep, you remove the bracket and tell me. Tell.
Sir,
ABX square will remain same now. Then
plus b square.
B square what? X
Yes.
minus AC X minus BC. Are you followed? Now take from these two. Srinidhi, take common between these two.
bx
BX. So BX is taken. What is left out?
ax
AX
plus
B. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. Yeah. You. From the second one, what is common? Last two. Huh? ACX. What is common?
C is common.
Minus C.
Minus C is common.
Minus C is common. What is left out? AX plus B. So grouping is done. So AX plus B times BX minus C. Okay, splitting was not complicated, only open the bracket and regrouping. Hope all of you followed. Okay, then we have to take one by one. So now zeros. Zeros are obtained by ax plus b is equal to 0 and bx minus c equal to 0. X is equal to
C upon B.
minus b
upon A.
upon a, comma x equal to c upon b. Therefore, zeros are minus b by a, comma c upon b. First part is over. Take the steps. If anyone having a problem, how it is coming and on, not followed, tell me. So verification. Sum of zeros equal to
Minus
here is add now. So take minus b upon a plus c upon b. Here how we are LCM. Here this term LCM they can simplify. What is LCM? Denominator. AB. Then numerator. L
Minus B.
minus BC. B is not there now, so multiply now. What is to be multiplied? This B is not there, so B minus B squared. A into C plus AC. Are you followed or not? See, check once again, those who are not followed. This A is there, this is AB. What is not there, that has to be multiplied on the numerator. So this one. Now from here, what you can take common? Minus you take common. Left out is B square minus AC upon AB. Check, is it the same thing or not? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x squared. I just removed only and forget. The coefficient of x is what? B square minus AC. And I remove, so answer directly got it. Yes or no? Paka, not followed. Followed. Those who are not followed, tell me. Okay? Then, same way, product of zeros. What is coming as minus b by a multiplied by c by b. You can cancel, don't cancel. First multiply and see what is you get. Minus bc upon ab. After that check. Yes, minus bc upon ab. Direct answer. Constant term upon coefficient of x square. Hope you got it. Anyone having a problem? Smith. So Smith, no? Time is there. Very much. Take all the ones to ready with what? Go on, know the time. Follow on. Okay. So Smith, I will ask you to do some question on the board. Yes, is ready. Or is any one of the question I will ask you to do? Whichever we have done. We have done. This is question number 4. So Smith can give answer, solution. Yes. Right now.
गाली दिया
I think why you looking at him? But not nobody is doing anything. Oh, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Okay, so this one done. All of you, this much is done, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So the question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is based on only these two properties only. Okay, now we are going to do the little more identity, which we have already done. Some 3, 4 identities I am going to give you. This you have to learn. Similar one you have done in following first one, same thing. After once I write, then you will come to know the same thing only. It's completed, all of you. So, no,
yes sir
let us wait. What you are waiting?
Smith
What you said wait, no? Oh, actually, written. So these four identities write down that we are going to use this one in the first one. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the first one. Second one, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta.
Done.
Third one, alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 is equal to alpha square plus beta square the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta whole square. Not only writing, learn also. And the fourth one, alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta.
Done.
Somebody does learn all the four?
No,
Then you should done.
no, right, you done.
This one. Bharat is learning. Just write down without mistake, write down. Yeah. If it is written, listen. I will explain how did you get these all identities. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB or A square plus 2AB plus B square. Take 2AB to the left side, what will happen? A plus B whole square minus 2AB is equal to what is left out? A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Are you followed how the identity has come? You have studied the identity for alpha A cube plus B cube now. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Is it clear? Okay. Fourth one. Sorry, third one. It is same as first one. Instead of alpha square, it is alpha raised to 4. Means it's square, 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 this square, this square.
Okay.
See? So first and third one is the same thing you do. Its squares are written. Now, over here, you can see simplification. That is a relation between A minus B and A plus B. What is A minus B whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. If from A plus B whole square minus 4AB, you can see what is it? What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4AB. That is same as what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. That is same as A minus B whole square. Okay, these all are just only adjusting the terms. Now the question is why we adjusted. If you look at the RHS side, alpha plus beta and alpha beta. What is the meaning of alpha plus beta? Sum. What is the formula for alpha plus beta? Minus B by. What is the formula for alpha beta? C by. C by. See, this can be written as minus B by A. This can be written as C by A. That is why, see, you don't need to find the value of alpha and beta. Directly find out minus B by A and C by A and find the values. Question was there, same question, similar question was there this year again in the board paper. Because you know this chapter, you have very less. If you see means mainly one exercise only. This is the exercise 2.2 is the main exercise. The remaining things are all removed. Now based on this, its applications and all are coming. So this is the one it is coming application level. So you have to learn. Who's learned all the four? Who learned all the four? All of you stand up. All of you stand up. And erase this one. Written all of you. This boy, last boy. You learned written.
Yes.
Yes. What's the name?
Yes.
Learn. Increase learn. I'm ready to stand to learn only. Those who learn, sit down. Out of all, any three learns it now. I think he learned everything. Who's smart? Oh, stand. What is alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha square plus.
Wrong.
नहीं alpha plus alpha cube.
Alpha.
नहीं alpha plus beta square.
Wrong.
अरे.
अरे stand.
वही बोली तो रहा.
Yeah.
Sir, balance here. Sir, बार sir.
Bob, learn. To learn. Myra learn. Hello. Learn. See. Sadly, he will say, again I will make it mass, then he will again make mistakes. Stand up. Okay, what is the alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha plus beta whole cube minus alpha into
Still
alpha.
mistake.
So sir, I'm telling alpha into beta.
Wrong.
Like 3 into alpha
Oh.
beta.
That is not required. Oh.
Sir, I did.
Huh?
I did.
I did, but you did not tell 3, you did not tell now.
Sir, I did.
After that only, no, not after that. You along with that.
Sir, I will tell.
Sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
You have to learn. Next class I will now. Okay, this is an important identity, you have to remember. Okay, yes, read the next question. Now,
If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial fx is equal to x square minus px plus q, then find the values of.
what are the values here? Find out first one. First one. What are the questions?
Sir,
Alpha square plus beta square. Second one, 1 upon alpha, 1 plus 1 upon beta. So the polynomial is given, listen here. Here it is given alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus px plus q. This is your polynomial. Yes or no? We are, first of all, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? Nothing. Remember, if nothing is mentioned, means always 1. Okay. A is equal to 1. B minus P. C. Q. What is the formula for alpha plus beta? Minus B upon A. That means how much? Minus P upon 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to P. Alpha beta, what is the formula? C upon A, which is equal to Q upon 1. That is alpha beta is equal to Q. So you got the value of alpha plus beta, you got the value of alpha beta. Now what is the first one we have? This way, stop writing and listen. You just not to just copy, listen. So that you will understand. Now what do you have to find out? First one is alpha square plus beta square. If you have the value of alpha and beta, we can directly substitute. Do you have the value of alpha?
Yes.
What is the value of alpha? We don't have. Do you have the value of beta? We don't have. But we have two things. What are the two things we have? Alpha plus beta and alpha. So we have learned an identity. What is the identity for
Alpha
this is equal to alpha plus beta also minus 2 alpha. Therefore, what is the value of alpha plus beta? P. That is p square minus 2q. That is it. P square minus 2q. We cannot simplify. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
In the question, sometimes numbers are there, then you can simplify. So value 3, 4, 5. So we can substitute this one. Second part. This is your first part. What is second part to be asked?
1
1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. First we will take its LCM. When you take its LCM, what will you get here? This is alpha beta. So numerator will come as what? Beta plus alpha. Isn't it? 1 into beta, 1 into alpha. Okay. That is same as alpha plus beta only now. What is the value of alpha plus beta? P. Upon. What is the value of alpha beta? Q. Can you simplify anything? That is your answer.
Thank you, sir.
But that is clear.
So now.
Okay. Followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, right. Some complicated comes, this is the easy one. Write all the steps. Am I following now?
Yes, sir.
Not to just copy down, try to understand and do it. So that you will be able to do these are important ones and same things comes in the exams. Repeat that all of you. Better now. Susmit, done.
Yes.
Now, next question. What is the next question? Question number 6 now. Okay, read. Okay, read. Your side. Read.
Alpha, beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c that
Evaluate. One is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Second one is alpha square upon beta plus beta square by alpha. Here, the same type of question over here, it is directly given. F of x is equal to what is it? Ax square plus bx plus c. So you don't need to take ABC, it is in terms of ABC only. So directly you can write what is alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. And what is the value of alpha beta? C upon a. There is no value of this on this sort. Question is like that only. Now, what is the question first part?
alpha by beta plus
Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha Is it or not? Or some square or something is there? No. What is to be done? Do we have the value of alpha? Do you have the value of beta? No. What is to be done then? LCM. So when you take the LCM, what will you get? Denominator. Beta into alpha, alpha beta. This alpha will be alpha square plus beta square. If you look over here, stop writing. And if most of the people are just copying only, don't copy, try to understand. Now, we know the value of alpha beta. Do we have the value of alpha square plus beta square? You don't know. But we have a formula for alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula for alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 1 alpha beta times alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Anna? So at least somebody remembered. So is it or not? There is nothing. Okay. Now, so this is equal to, now we have the value of alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a the whole square. 2 times c by a divided by c by a. Can you cut this as a and a?
Yes.
Can you cut this a and a?
Yes.
Look over here. This is minus b by a whole square is b square upon a square. Minus 2c upon a divided by c upon a.
Yes.
Can you cut this a and a?
Yes.
No, it is not common denominator. First you have to take the LCM of the numerator. What is a square? Shivam is not listening. A square and a. What is its LCM? What is the LCM of a square and a? A square. Therefore, this will come as a square. And this will be, denominator is already here, b square minus, what is this coming? 2ac. Are you followed?
Yeah.
One a only is there, a square comes. Divided by, what will become divided by? C upon it. See, this LCM is taken. Be careful. First one was easier one, this one it is. Now make into the fraction. How do you make into the fraction? Multiply by reciprocal. That is coming as b square minus 2ac upon a square multiplied by a upon c. Here you can cut. What you can cut? One a is cut. This is cut a. Can you cut the c and c?
Yes, sir.
How will you cut?
No, sir.
You cannot. There is a minus is there now. You cannot. Therefore, which is equal to b square minus 2ac upon ac.
Sir.
You cannot cut a and c because it is minus. Multiplication means you could have cut. This is the first answer. See how it become complicated now. First one was easy one, there is an LCM and all. Now, second part is little more complicated will come. This is the first part. Hope all of you followed now. Check the step. Second part, what is second part? Alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Here also we take the LCM. What is the LCM? Alpha beta. This will come alpha square, alpha cube plus beta cube. We have the identity. What is alpha cube plus beta cube? Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by denominator. So we will put the value alpha plus beta minus b by a the whole cube minus 3 times c by a into minus b by a divided by alpha beta c upon it. Simplify. Minus cube is minus b cube upon a cube. This minus and minus will come plus 3 c into b, 3bc upon a square upon c upon. Now, this is plus is there, so you have to make together. How do you do it? LCM. A cube and a square. What is the LCM? A cube. So it will come as here. A cube will come. So what will you get? Minus b cube plus 1 a is missing now. So 3 a b c divided by c upon Okay, that is equal to minus B cube plus 3ABC divided by A cube into C upon A reciprocal A upon C. This will go C upon A. So it's a reciprocal A upon C. You will see one A will be cancelled. You can write, if you want to write 3ABC minus B cube upon one A will form A square C. That is only you can do it, further you cannot do. It will become complicated because the letters change, so this become as complicated. Okay, check the steps. Anywhere problems are there, tell. Are you following? Okay, so write down. Right. First. Kunpreet, written this on. You can do the same thing without seeing. Huh? Sure. So go through it. I'll ask you to do it on the board now. Dasmit, you can do the same thing. See, and this one I will ask you people to do it. Make you to do. We have done different types of questions. Okay, so we need to practice a lot of this one. Anywhere, any of the step not followed, tell me, I'll explain again. Completed. This become complicated because the alphabets are coming. numbers are coming, it will not be this complicated. First part all of you completed? Second part all of you completed? Or still? All of you are still people. Following? If followed, let's see. Complete all of you first part, this one second part. Yeah, write the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then evaluate 1 alpha plus alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, and the second one 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Third one alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. One of them we will do over here, other two you can do it as homework.
3 or 2.
Other two. All three do it. Okay. Now, here, questions are written.
Yes, sir.
Now, first you have to find out what is ABC. What's the value of Gunpreet? What is A?
Sir, like.
Huh?
Sir,
Gunpreet.
like this.
Writing. Then A is equal to 1, B minus 5, C 6. All others are irrelevant. First one, alpha plus beta. Formula we have minus B upon A. How much is minus B upon A?
-5.
Minus of minus 5 upon 1.
But
That is equal to 5.
5.
Alpha beta C upon A. That is equal to 6 upon 1. 6.
6.
I hope all of you followed.
Sir.
Value of alpha plus beta minus B by A. Shivam, followed. Now first one we have to do it. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We will take its LCM. That is alpha beta. So what we get? Alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta square. We have the identity alpha square plus beta square is alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square. Value of alpha plus beta is 5. 5 square minus 2 times 6 divided by 6. See, when numbers comes, it's easy to do. 5 square is 25 minus 12 divided by 6. What's the answer, Bharat? Rajiv, what's the answer? 13 by 6. That's it. Same way, other part you can do, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same way. You have to do this one. Your homework parts. In your homework part, exercise 2.2 homework exercise. Question 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Homework exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do this one. You have next week only class, maths class is there. Please revise what classwork done formula, because these are very important things. Lot of things we have done today. So, homework exercise 1 to 5 we have to do it. Classwork 2 questions are remaining that we will do in the class. And plus whatever we did revise, I will ask questions to do it yourself from here. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next class. Friday, what lecture we have?
Physics and
Physics.
Physics, sorry.
Very much. Physics.